Welcome back, guys. This is Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida. I'm here at a car show in Palmetto, and I wanted to bring you this 1969 Z28 Camaro. I love the blue and white paint scheme, and I thought you guys might like it also. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick walk around the video and show you the car. Guys, I do not edit videos. I want you to know that. So if I stumble my words or say something that sounds stupid, it's going to be in the video. But I'm used to sounding stupid, so not a big deal.
I didn't have to sort through.
I can roll with that.
New tenants.
What a beautiful car. It looks like it's all set up pretty original. Love the rims with the caps, center caps. SS gauges. It's like it's manual, probably 4-speed. Interior looks really nice. Looks to be a Rally Sport Camaro, which there's nothing wrong with that. It's a 69, guys. That's what matters. The 69s were just beautiful machines. I mean, all the Camaros are really nice. I can't say anything negative about them. I've been a Camaro lover for most of my life, but these here seem to be the ones that people like a lot. And I like a lot. I like the dash. I've never had one, but I like the dash. And I like the styling of the car. Guys, the blue on this car is really nice. It seems to be an older paint, but I can't really tell. But it is nice still. It's very nice. Guys, once again, I'm Dave from Coast Motor Company in Palmetto, Florida, showing off cars, trucks, Jeeps, motorcycles, airplanes, skateboards with engines, fire trucks, the list goes on. It's growing every day. Wish me luck with keeping up, please. If you could subscribe to my channel, click the notifications so you'll be the first to see stuff like this, and share with your friends. That would be greatly appreciated. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for being here to view this beautiful, beautiful Z28 1969 Camaro.
Filed an insurance claim on it, as long as we can prove that it was vandalism, so it'll be a fight.
Guys, thank you.